So yes guys, you read that title correctly. It's about that time. We are getting ready to send our Project S6 on its final journey. The Project S6 was an absolutely fantastic build on the channel. I definitely thoroughly enjoyed that car. It served me extremely well. Rest assured guys, the Project S6 is still going to stay in the family, so to speak. This vehicle has been purchased by a good friend of mine, so rest assured the Project S6 is going to be well looked after and thoroughly enjoyed. I'm very grateful to all the Audi 4.0T enthusiasts for checking out the videos, supporting the build series, liking the videos, providing comments, engagements, all that good stuff that helps support the channel to make these types of videos possible. I want to thank you guys once again for joining me on the Project S6 build series. Definitely one of the best. Thoroughly enjoyed this vehicle. Has served me incredibly well. The new owner of the Project S6 will be arriving shortly. We're going to go ahead and take care of all of our paperwork as far as everything that goes into the selling process. We'll be sure to pass along the keys as well as the torch to the S6 legacy. Let's get to it. What do you think about the tone so far?
The tone is it definitely needs to be woke up a little bit. It's a little tame for my taste.
Still a little bit tame.
It's a little tame. Definitely needs to be opened up a little bit.
Oh my God! Okay. Oh shit! Oh my God! Okay. Oh my God! Wow! Oh! Oh! Wow!
Well guys, today's the day. It's about that time. Got my man Anthony here, about to pass the torch to the Project S6, man. How you feel right now?
Feeling pretty good, man.
You pretty hyped?
Pretty hyped. Really glad you're able to also kind of throw in an extended warranty. 40,000 miles, front to rear axle. Dude, really appreciate it, man. But no, seriously, man, really awesome opportunity. I've been looking for something for a couple of years now. I've been looking at the B58s, some Audi TTSs, no, I know I've been kind of tracking to you possibly letting it go. Really appreciate the opportunity, man. I'm going to take care of her. Keep her as is, do some wheels, do some suspension stuff, not suspension, but like sway bars and whatnot. But really excited, man. Yeah.
That's awesome, man. Well, it's exciting, bro. It's always that emotional moment when you go to part ways with an in-depth build such as this, but it's always just, it's good from the standpoint of an enthusiast, obviously, to rest assured that it's going to a good home, man, where definitely be well looked after and thoroughly enjoyed. So
yeah.
It's definitely a pleasure, man, and glad we could make it happen and pass the torch, man.
Looking forward to more
Yes,
videos.
sir.
Yeah,
that's right. She's all yours, man.
Thanks, man. I'll take care of her. You know I will.
That's gonna be fun for you, man.
Yeah, man.
Definitely enjoy that power, but you know what? In the words of Uncle Ben, with great power comes great responsibility.
That's right, man. Like Rick Grimes says, no more kid stuff. Moving on to the big boy.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, not gonna be able to tear up too much today, but
Yeah, we'll keep it a little bit more settled down with the rain, but
down,
let's get some dry surface. You can kind of get a feel for it and kind of adjust to the drivability of it. So
yeah, good break-in day for me and her. So
so I'm including this with the car, man. This is an AWE exhaust valve controller. So basically what that does is you get a module that will plug into the factory valve actuators for the exhaust, and then you'll basically get like a key fob remote so you can open and close the valves manually.
Nice. Okay.
So if you decided, for example, you want it to be in comfort, but you want the exhaust valves to be open, should you choose to do so, you have the flexibility to open and close on the fly.
Nice.
So yeah.
Let's go eat some dinner, man.
Yeah, man. Let's celebrate with
dinner.
some dinner.
Any way I can con you into getting a beer with me?
Yeah, you could try. You could try.
I could try.
I'll give you effort for trying.
Okay. Maybe persuade you with some fried ravioli and some French onion soup and slide a beer in there. But yeah, man. Let's
Maybe
get some
slide
food.
one in there. So there you have it, guys. Final send for the Project S6. You guys know it's in good hands. Appreciate all the support. Be sure to leave a comment down below if you guys have any other questions, comments on the build series. I'll be sure to see you guys in the next one. Have an awesome day. Yo. Wait. You did what? Oh, no way, bro. Are you serious?